today is Tutorial Tuesday. So I am going to be doing a Boxycharm full face using products from last month and this month. On my face, I did actually use the Cover FX that I also got from my Boxycharm. It wasn't from last month. I'm not sure what month it was, honestly. But I did also use this No More Baggage front of my eye. And it says you can also use it before you apply makeup, so I did do that. And then I applied my regular makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. We got this Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So it's like a brush on one end and the cream on the other. And when I first saw this, I was like, this is not usually like the type of eyebrow stuff I like to use, and it didn't seem like it would be dark enough, but it looks like it's doing pretty well. Okay, so that's not bad. I'm not doing like any concealer or anything to shape it like normal. Okay, so that's done. So like I said, I just simply traced my eyebrows. I didn't put any concealer to shape it or anything like that. So the next thing is last month we got an Alamar Cosmetics palette. I was thinking about challenging myself and trying to use all the colors in here. It may be harder because it has warm and cool colors, but understand it's a tropical theme. I'm gonna first pick concealer on my eyes, and I use Pro Conceal in the color Almond. So I'm going to start with Cocoa Taxi. Now I'm going to go into Tropical. I'm going to go right under. Now I'm going to go in with the shade here, Guantanamera. Don't get me started on these names. I'm getting some fallout, as you can see. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my crease with the same Pro Conceal. I'm going to use a flat brush. And how I cut my crease for someone who has hooded eyes, what I try to do is go slightly over the hooded eye, like, so when my eye is open, you're gonna still see the color. That's my trick, go slightly above. I close and I open when I do my cut crease. This eye is always harder than this eye for me because I have like a double hood on this eye. So if I were to go slightly above this crease, this cut is gonna seem higher than this cut. So actually with that one, I'm actually gonna go under that crease because my eye open, it'll be so higher up that you're still gonna see it like this. So try to match it as much as possible. That's all you can do. So yes, that eye is a tad bit harder for me. So I think I'm gonna go in on the very, very tip with Lacoste. Now I'm going to go in with Celia. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Verdero. So now I'm gonna kind of blend them. I don't want any harsh lines. So I'm going to drag the pink over into the green using the side of my brush I didn't really use. I'm going to drag the green over to the blue. So far they're not losing their colors. When you blend some eyeshadows, you lose colors as you blend. Like the pigmentation of it will fade away. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the dark brown cafecito, I don't know if I'm saying it right. And I'm gonna kind of make this kind of smoky. Okay, now I'm going to blend it. Okay, so I think these eyeshadows blended pretty well. It's not the easiest I've ever worked with to blend out, but it does blend, and I like all of the colors. I have every color on my eye except for one, and with that one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take SMULE, this one. I'm going to kind of use this as a highlight for inner and brow bone. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up and put my eyeliner on, and I will be right back. Okay, so I've done it. I put eyeliner on. What I want to do is put a color under, and I think I want to do the dark burgundy color in this palette. This is the Note blush, and so I kind of want to use everything that it comes with. I want to use the brush. I want to use everything it comes with so we can actually see what Boxycharm can do for us. Okay, so the next thing is, last month we got these lashes from Batting Tongue Lashes. This is what it looks like, and it's a beautiful casing. Oh, I am going to put that on as well. This month we got this mascara, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this mascara, and it's kind of like a curved wand. And the mascara is not too bad. So I'm going to try these lashes on. I'm going to fight them off camera, and I'll be right back. Out of everything, y'all, I am pleasantly shocked and surprised by these eyelashes. I kid you not. Okay, first off, when I first saw these eyelashes, I'm not even going to lie, I thought they were going to be extremely thin. They didn't look like it was going to do anything for me. When I took it off of the beautiful casing that it comes in, the band was thick, and the way that it's curved and how it's lifted up, it just gives me this beautiful, full, glamorous eyelashes, like this look, but at the same time it makes it look so natural. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love this. So what I want to do is go ahead and throw on just a little bit of highlight, and I'm using ColourPop's Candyman. That's my favorite highlight to use. I have is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and this came in the last Boxycharm. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to apply this. Y'all, I feel like these lashes are my favorite lashes thus far. Like, I'm in love. Okay, so this is the lip. It's very nudie. It's very pretty though. The last thing I want to use is this Ready Set Radiant setting spray by Tarte. If you have not watched my last unboxing of this month's Boxycharm, that link will be below. You go ahead, you check that out, because on there I had some feelings about this, but I'm a type of person where I'm not gonna just try something once. Like, I like to try it 2 or 3 times. So it says shake well, so I'm gonna really shake well because I'm curious. Okay, so I'm gonna spray my face. The scent did not get better. If you do not like strong scents, this is not for you. But I want to see the effect that it does on my face. Because I like to really set my face with my setting sprays. The smell, I'm not here for it. I'm still not used to it. I can still feel the mintiness. I can like feel that mintiness tingling on my face. So I do feel like the glow is a little bit more radiant, which it said Ready Set Radiant. It said that, it did. But overall, I like the eyeshadows. I felt like they were blendable. As you can see, every color seemed to be pretty pigmented. The mascara was pretty okay. The wand was curved. I thought that was different. The lashes blew me away. That is the queen of this entire thing, are the lashes. The Dr. Branded that I put under on my eyes, I don't see a difference, honestly. I just don't. But it might be something that you have to continue to use to see a difference. It may not be like a one-time thing, like immediate difference type of thing. The lips are okay. They're not too drying. This color is okay. It's not the nude that I would personally go to. I like more pinky nudes. This is more like a mauve, but it's still pretty. The eyebrows, it actually is pretty. Like, it's a good color. I thought it wasn't gonna be dark enough. It's clearly dark enough. It was pretty easy to apply. The blush is a pretty color. It definitely brought color to my face. You can still see it even under the highlighter, and I really like that. So basically, I feel like a lot of the stuff from Boxycharm is definitely something that I would purchase on my own. So it is definitely a value that we are getting in these boxes. So what do you guys think about this look? I had so much fun doing this look. I have never done like a whole face just using Boxycharm, so that was definitely fun. It was fun just going with the flow as far as what I was going to do on my eyes. I hope you guys really love this. If you want me to do more whole face Boxycharm videos, comment below, let me know, and I will definitely do them. I want to thank you again, love bugs, for taking the time out of your day to spend with me. You could have been anywhere else in the world, but you decided to take this time with me. I'm also on Facebook Live every Wednesday and Friday. If you have some looks you want me to do, please go on there, follow me, message me, let me know, send me pics, whatever. I will do it. You don't want to miss those. And I love you all, and thank you for watching. Bye.
What's your name? Don't you play this game? You from another land, got you like it's contraband.